The world has undergone a significant shift over the past year, and with it, many of our financial realities have been drastically altered. The pandemic has left a lot of us feeling uncertain and stressed about our financial futures. But fear not. We're here to help you navigate this new post-pandemic world and arm you with the tools and strategies to save money in the coming year. So let's set sail on this frugal living adventure together and discover ways to weather the financial storms that may come our way. It's time to take control of our finances and create a brighter, more prosperous future. So let's get started. The impact of the pandemic on finances. The pandemic has been a financial whirlwind for many of us. As the world ground to a halt, so too did many of our income streams. Job losses, reduced hours, and salary cuts were all too common experiences for many people. But that's not where the financial impact of the pandemic ends. We also had to contend with increased expenses, be it stocking up on essentials, adapting to remote work, or footing unexpected medical bills. The pandemic has stretched many of our wallets to their limits. It's safe to say that the pandemic has been a financial roller coaster ride. But through it all, one thing has remained constant: the need to save money. As we navigate the post-pandemic world, it's more important than ever to be mindful of our spending and to find ways to stretch our dollars further. But it's not all doom and gloom. The pandemic has also presented new opportunities for frugal living. The shift to remote work has opened up a world of possibilities for cutting expenses, from reduced transportation cost to the ability to shop for deals online. Additionally, as the economy recovers, there will be more opportunities to take advantage of sales, discounts, and other money-saving strategies. So, while the pandemic has certainly dealt a blow to our finances, it has also presented new opportunities for frugal living. It's time to embrace this new reality and learn how to save money in the post-pandemic world. Frugal living strategies. Frugal living is the art of stretching your dollars further and making the most of what you have. It's about finding creative ways to cut expenses, save money, and build a more financially stable future. And let's face it, in these uncertain times, frugal living has never been more important. The first step in frugal living is creating a budget. A budget is like a map that guides you on your financial journey. It helps you understand where your money is going and where you can cut back. Once you have a budget in place, you can start looking for ways to trim your expenses. One of the most effective ways to save money is by cutting back on luxuries. We all have areas of our lives where we could stand to be a little more frugal. It could be cutting down on eating out, canceling unnecessary subscriptions, or finding cheaper alternatives for things we buy regularly. Another great way to save money is by investing in necessities. It may seem counterintuitive, but buying quality items that will last longer can actually save you money in the long run. For example, investing in a durable pair of shoes or a good quality coat can save you money in the long run, as they will last longer than cheaper alternatives. Frugal living is also about finding new ways to save money. Shopping sales, using coupons, and looking for deals online are all great ways to save money. Additionally, you can also save money by reducing your utility bills, finding free activities to do, and even cooking at home more often. Ultimately, frugal living is about being mindful of your spending and finding creative ways to save money. With a little bit of effort and a lot of determination, you can achieve your financial goals and build a more stable, prosperous future. Post-pandemic opportunities for frugal living? We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. As the world begins to emerge from the pandemic, new opportunities for frugal living are arising. The shift to remote work, for example, has the potential to significantly cut expenses. With less need to commute, we can save money on transportation costs, as well as on work-related expenses like dry cleaning and parking. Additionally, as the economy recovers, there will be more opportunities to take advantage of sales, discounts, and other money-saving strategies. Keep your eyes peeled for deals on things like travel, home improvement, and even groceries. Another post-pandemic opportunity for frugal living is the trend towards minimalism and simplifying our lives. The pandemic has made us all take a step back and reevaluate what's truly important. It's a good time to get rid of things we no longer need and focus on what truly matters. This not only declutters our lives, but also saves us money in the long run. Another opportunity is to invest in our personal and professional development, as there are many free or low-cost resources available. Online tutorials, webinars, and ebooks are a great way to learn new skills and improve our professional prospects without breaking the bank. In this post-pandemic world, we must learn to be more resilient and adaptable. Frugal living can help us navigate these uncertain times and build a more stable, prosperous future. So let's embrace these new opportunities and make the most of them. Investing in necessities. When it comes to frugal living, one of the most effective strategies is investing in necessities. This may seem counterintuitive, but by prioritizing spending on necessary items, we can actually save money in the long run. Think about it. By investing in a quality pair of shoes, for example, we may pay more upfront, but will save money in the long run by not having to replace them as often. The same goes for items like appliances, furniture, and even clothes. By investing in quality, we can save money in the long run by not having to replace them as often. Another way to invest in necessities is by buying in bulk. Items like non-perishable food, cleaning supplies, and even toiletries can be purchased in bulk, which can save money in the long run. This is especially true when these items are on sale, which is a great time to stock up. It's also important to identify areas where we can cut back on luxury items. We all have areas of our lives where we could stand to be a little more frugal. It could be cutting down on eating out, canceling unnecessary subscriptions, or finding cheaper alternatives for things we buy regularly. By cutting back on these luxury items, we can redirect that money towards investing in necessities. In short, investing in necessities is about being smart with our money and making the most of what we have. By prioritizing spending on necessary items, we can save money in the long run and build a more stable, prosperous future. Building an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a financial cushion that can help us weather unexpected storms. It's a savings account set aside specifically for unexpected expenses such as medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. In these uncertain times, having an emergency fund is more important than ever. The first step in building an emergency fund is setting a savings goal. This will depend on your individual circumstances, but a good rule of thumb is to aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Once you have a goal in place, you can start creating a plan to reach it. One way to build an emergency fund is by setting up automatic transfers. This means that a certain amount of money is automatically transferred from your checking account to your savings account each month. This way, you won't have to think about it, and the money will start adding up quickly. Another way to save money for an emergency fund is by setting aside a portion of each paycheck. This can be as little as $10 or $20, but over time it can add up to a significant amount. It's also important to remember that building an emergency fund is a journey, not a destination. It's not something that happens overnight, but rather it's a process that requires consistency and patience. By building an emergency fund, we're creating a safety net that can help us navigate unexpected financial storms. It's like a lighthouse in the dark, guiding us to safety and peace of mind. So let's start building our emergency fund today and be ready for whatever the future holds. Finding additional income streams. One of the most effective ways to improve your finances is by increasing your income. And in today's world, there are countless opportunities to do just that. From freelancing to renting out a spare room, the possibilities are endless. Freelancing is a great way to earn additional income while also flexing your creative muscles. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, or even a virtual assistant, the gig economy has opened up a world of opportunities for people with a wide range of skills. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and even LinkedIn have made it easy to find freelance work. Another way to earn additional income is by renting out a spare room on Airbnb. Not only is this a great way to make some extra cash, but it's also a great way to meet new people from all over the world. You can also find ways to earn additional income by leveraging your existing skills and experiences. For example, if you're a teacher, you can offer private tutoring sessions. If you have a background in marketing, you can offer consulting services. The possibilities are endless. It's also important to not overlook the earning potential of your current job. Negotiating a raise or looking for opportunities for advancement can help you earn more money and improve your financial situation. In short, finding additional income streams is about being creative and taking advantage of the opportunities that are available to you. By increasing your income, you can achieve your financial goals and build a more stable, prosperous future. So let's explore the different ways to earn additional income and start earning more today. Staying motivated. Sticking to a budget and saving money can be a challenge, especially in these uncertain times. It's easy to get discouraged and lose motivation, but don't worry, with a little bit of effort and a lot of determination, you can achieve your financial goals and build a more stable, prosperous future. One of the best ways to stay motivated is by tracking your progress. This could be as simple as keeping a journal of your expenses or using an app to track your spending. Seeing the progress you're making can be a great motivator and can help you stay on track. Another way to stay motivated is by celebrating small wins. Whether it's reaching a savings goal or cutting back on a luxury item, it's important to take the time to celebrate your successes. It's a great way to keep yourself motivated and remind yourself that you're on the right track. It's also important to keep in mind the big picture. Saving money is not always easy, but it's worth it in the long run. Building a more stable, prosperous future is a journey, not a destination. It's important to remember that setbacks are a normal part of the process and to not get discouraged. Finally, it's important to surround yourself with a supportive community. Whether it's friends, family, or online forums, having a support system can make all the difference. They can provide encouragement, motivation, and even new ideas for saving money. In short, staying motivated is about being consistent, tracking your progress, celebrating small wins, and surrounding yourself with a supportive community. By staying motivated, you can achieve your financial goals and build a more stable, prosperous future. So let's keep pushing forward and make our dreams a reality, frugal living, and uncover new opportunities for saving money in the post-pandemic world. We hope you found our tips and strategies helpful and that you're feeling more confident about your ability to save money in the coming year. Remember, frugal living is a journey, not a destination. It's about being mindful of your spending, finding creative ways to save money, and building a more stable, prosperous future. So let's set our sails and navigate this post-pandemic world together. Remember, the future is bright and full of possibilities. With a little bit of effort and a lot of determination, you can save money and build a more stable, prosperous future. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos on personal finance and frugal living. But the journey doesn't end here. If you're ready to start improving your financial well-being, take action now. Check the first link in the description for our Frugal Living ebooks. You'll learn how to take control of your finances and start saving money without sacrificing your quality of life. From assessing your current financial situation and cutting costs, to increasing your income and living frugally without sacrificing enjoyment, we cover it all. Order our ebooks via the first link in the video description and start your journey towards financial stability and security. It's never too late to start making smart financial decisions.